Guys, please enlighten me about the basics of annulment in the Philippines. Annulment is the term given by non-lawyers to all cases of annulment proceedings. But legally speaking, annulment cases are only those petitions with grounds falling under Article 45 of the Family Code.
The other process is a petition to declare absolute nullity of marriage, or simply a petition for nullity of marriage, which can be found under Article 35, which are absence of form and essential requisites of marriage, Article 36, which is psychological incapacity, Article 37, which is incestuous marriages, and Article 38, which is void by reason of public policy.
What is annulment of marriage?
Annulment of marriage is a court process in order to annul the marital union between a husband and wife. Annulment of marriage presupposes that the marriage was valid from the beginning and remains valid until annulled by the court.
What are the grounds for annulment? Is there a time limit for this?
Marriages can be annulled by the court on the following grounds. 1. Either party was 18 years of age but below 21, and the marriage was solemnized without the consent of the parents, guardian, or person having substitute parental authority over the party. You can only file the petition within 5 years after reaching the age of 21. But you cannot anymore file the petition if you have freely cohabited with each other as husband and wife after you reach the age of 21. Your parents or guardian can also file the petition anytime before you reach the age of 21.
2. Either party was of unsound mind at the time of marriage. You may file the petition anytime before the death of your husband or wife. But for instance, you freely cohabited with each after he or she came to reason. Under this circumstance, you are already precluded by law from filing the petition.
3. The consent of either party was obtained by fraud. You can file the petition within 5 years after the discovery of the fraud. You did not freely cohabit with yo. Provided that you did not freely cohabit with your husband or wife after your full knowledge of the facts constituting the fraud.
4. The consent of either party was obtained by force, intimidation, or undue influence, or otherwise known as shotgun marriage. You can file a petition within 5 years from the time the force, intimidation, or undue influence disappeared or ceased. However, you are already barred from filing the petition if you had freely cohabited with your husband or wife knowing that the force or intimidation had already ceased.
5. Either party was a sexual impotent or physically incapable of engaging in sexual intercourse, and such incapacity continues and appears to be incurable. You can file the petition within 5 years after marriage.
6. Either party was afflicted with a sexually transmissible disease found to be serious and appears to be incurable. You can also file the petition within 5 years after marriage. Thank you guys. This will be helpful me and the viewers who wanted to know more about annulment of marriage. For more information, visit us at www.attacaliber.com or visit us on Facebook.